Today I am using slime. I didn't make it, I got it from the arcade. Well, let's see what we can do here. If you could step forward, we would see that we have this place where we put our paper in here. It has that. So now let's see what we can do with our slime.
Tell them where you are, Jetty.
We are in Foxwoods. With
Casino in Connecticut.
Well, it's not really a casino.
No, we're in a hotel about 3 miles away.
Ooh, more paper. That was the and now we gotta do the slip and slide, and now it's time for the face.
Okay. The face.
There we go. It's a pretty bad face, but I got it. So let's see what we can make now. Here. Now we could experiment with the slime. I was trying to do the slime bubble, but it doesn't work, I guess.
Can I tell them where the slime came from?
I already told them.
Yeah, but the actual containers.
Yeah. This is where the slime came from.
So this is where the slime came from. Alien containers. And they were from an arcade in Foxwoods, Grand Pequot.
Arcade. So, it's pretty squishy, like most slime. And, well, that's the end of the video. Slime you later.